Hi, I'm a redstoner, and I approve this message.
I've got the redstone in me. Every time I mine that block, it turns into dust. Everybody knows I've got the redstone in me. And when I have that dust, the power's in my hands. Now everybody wants some precious redstone. Redstone, 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 redstone. Ooh, I got the redstone. These things that I have built will blow your mind. Pick a block, any block, I'll show you all what we do. I'll need a repeater and a torch over there. Now come on down to the block and stand right here and hit that button. I'll have you teleport and have your lights flickering. I'ma try to power the trap so they get stuck. Even Caveman Films had to go and take some tutorials, and I see Caveman like I'm confused, what's going on? So build one, build all, and see the pistons go. Prepare to be surrounded, no pig or silverfish. You know I'm no trolling one when I never griefed a house. So call me Mr. Redstone Man, I build that stuff just fine. I've got the redstone in me. Every time I mine that block, it turns into dust. Everybody knows I've got the redstone in me. And when I have that dust, the power's in my hands. Now everybody wants some precious redstone. Redstone, 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 redstone. Ooh, I got the redstone. Well, take a ride into my cart and you'll see why it's redstone I use. Stay on the track, so I ditch those creepers when I got gold. I hit the end, go insane, then jump into that cave. See, when I mine, I get that redstone like pit it out now. See, I destroy you with my super magic powers. I wire this like a disco, so respect me like I'm Caesar. I wire it like a beast, blowing hot 15 blocks long. Be clever, cause this redstone stuff is tricky like equations. I make all the builds come up and alive. It's a spectacular build, cause that house is a moving. So whatever you doing, it better be some redstone. I do this every day, redstone wire is in my soul.